MIMO installation. Before starting a MIMO installation, use a leveler to make sure that the poles are 100% vertical. You need to check both sides of each pole at 90-degree separation. This is a critical step in any link, but most importantly, when installing MIMO or XPIC. Install the antennas at the separation and heights indicated in the link budget. If you need to change the antenna height or separation, contact the link designer and ask for a recalculation of the link. Make sure to close the ports that are not in use according to the type of installation and tighten the covers firmly. You can use the gland as a tool to tighten the covers. Connect the power cable to the first port and the Ethernet cable to the second port, depending on the type of installation. Connect the 3 cables that connect between the 2 radios. Data sharing, Y-splitter, which combines protection and management, and the source sharing cable. Make sure to connect the 90-degree angle connector first on the source sharing cable and use a waterproofing kit on the connectors on both sides of the cable. Connect the glands to the ports. Make sure to tighten the front part of the gland firmly by hand. Only after tightening the front part of the gland should you tighten the rear part. Again, tightening firmly by hand. Use tie wraps for all glands to tighten the cable to the lip of the gland. Connect the protection cable to the Y-splitter connector port labeled MIMO/PROT. Then, use a gland to close over the cable. On the second port of the Y-splitter cable, for the port labeled MNG, if a cable is used and connected, make sure to use a gland, or else put a cover on the port. Follow the same procedure for the second radio. Use a nice tidy cable routing on the tower with no sharp bend on the source sharing cable.